lie, John. It's so cold out here. I can't even get my words out. But we can't say the wind is gusty enough. I mean, it's super, super powerful out here. But there are dust particles flying in the air, but also you have that pollen from those beautiful flowers that are blooming. So if you have allergies, you might be looking for some comfort this season.
And all this dirt in the air too doesn't help matters much either.
This is the type of weather Laura Alger is talking about. Sand and dirt particles are flying around in the air and flaring up her allergies.
Not much I can do. I go to my, go see my doctor, but just roll with it. That's all I can do. It's getting worse and worse every year, though.
The sand plus pollen are aggravating to people like Alger. While a beautiful sight, the pollen can stick to your body, hair, and even clothes. Family medicine doctor Luann Carlson says when it's in your nasal passage, it can be uncomfortable.
Our biggest time here in the desert is usually April, May. And once the rains have stopped, the flowers pop, the pollens are flying, the wind blows, even if it's not raining here.
She shares some tips on surviving the spring bloom and high winds.
When we had the height of COVID, people weren't complaining so much about their allergies, and one of the reasons we were staying in, and then when we went out, we were wearing masks. So it's, I would encourage, people to do that too. Continue wearing your mask.
Dr. Carlson says some over-the-counter medicine can help, but be consistent.
Yeah, so I would suggest probably trying an antihistamine, which would be something like Claritin, Zyrtec, Allegra. Nasal sprays over the counter are terrific. The steroid nasal sprays would be like Flonase or Nasacort. I think Rhinocort is also over the counter.
Advice people like Laura can find helpful.
I need some tips.
The winds are still really strong out here back live. There is no escaping those dust particles. You can see some of the sand and the dust flying in the air, but there are so many other small particles that you cannot see.